Hey Groovy Gardeners, alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial on the different needs of different seeds, and actually more precisely on their roots. So up on this shelf you can see I've got seeds started in different ways. If you see seeds that are being started in these black containers, these are seed plants that are not going to get separated. Their roots are going to stay packed together, whether it's a group of basil or one or two tatsoi or a bunch of beets like over here. The guys that I've started in these yogurt containers, the bunch of peppers that are started here, and the tomatoes that I've started down here, they are going to get separated. I've packed them in tight. There are 12 tomatoes in each one, and I'm going to separate them out afterwards. So I can do that because their roots, tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, many of them very hardy. They can handle being ripped apart, whereas things like parsley, and we'll pop down here, lettuces, other brassicas, celery like you see in the back, they don't like having the roots separated. Doesn't matter how gently you do it, what kind of perfect weather you have, they're not going to dig it. If you want to try ripping them apart, you're going to kill the plant or at least damage it. So you want to keep their roots in a nice tidy little pack and plant them as is with as little disruption as possible. So there you go. That's the under 2-minute tutorial on how to start your plants. How do you know for sure how to start your plant? Well, think about the plant. Is it something that, like, think about lettuce. You pull a thing of lettuce out of the ground, it's got almost no roots. So its roots are fragile. And those roots are going to need to be undisturbed to grow the beautiful big plant on top. Tomatoes, on the other hand, have massive root systems, very tough, very strong. They can be pulled apart. So leeks, they're all about the root. You don't want to disturb the root because the root is the part you eat, kind of thing. Well, not really with leeks, but sort of. You know what I mean? Anyways, I hope that is helpful and not too confusing. And I hope that you are growing your joy. Let's take a little look at things how are going in the greenhouse. Love y'all, Groovy Gardeners. Take care out there. It's a crazy world, but you got this. Bye.